Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm solo. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost everybody I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody else let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah, yeah. If you would show me, yeah, yeah. I spent so much time daydreaming, so now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who is the real me. Might need my help than I thought I needed. I can see it. Need more healing, more believing, less deceiving. I don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah, yeah. If you would show me, yeah, yeah. I might need therapy too. Help dilute all the bad news. Cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now. Recycling all the same doubts. Heard it a million times. Cause I tell myself all the same lies. I might need therapy too. Help dilute all the bad news. Cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now. Recycling all the same doubts. Heard it a million times. Cause I tell myself all the same lie. Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Oh, if you would show me.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Myfirstwig. Shop you Myfirstwig for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. You guys know Myfirstwig always come through with the come through, and this time is no different. So let me go ahead and give you guys the details, the specs, and all those good things. You know they sent me a paper. You know how much I love it. You know how much I love it. The name of this unit is Yaki 023. The order number is MY021. The texture is obviously Yaki. The length is 10 inches. And for those of you who don't know, I prefer my bobs to be 10 inches, sometimes even 8 inches, because I do have a very short neck. So yeah. The color is the natural hair color. I have it in a cap size 2. You guys know that Myfirstwigs have my size 1 and a size 2. The size 1 is more so for small to medium head people, and the size 2 is for medium to large head. So I do have the medium to large head cap size. The construction of this wig is a 13 by 6, and it says it's 130% density. And I'm glad that they put it on there that it was 130, because I was wondering if it was 150, because it's Yaki and Yaki hair is thick anyway. So I was wondering if it was 150 because I felt like it would be thicker, if that makes sense. But anyways, y'all, now as far as tweezing, bleaching, any other things, I ain't have to do it. Okay, oh girl woke up like this. Okay, all I had to do was put her on my head. And honestly, I probably could have wore it glueless if it would have did right. over here by these big ears, but my ears just won't let me be great. But I could have just applied the adhesive on the sides and y'all wouldn't have been none the wiser. And I'll insert a clip over here somewhere so you guys can see what I'm talking about, because once I put it on, I kind of tried to show the camera like you can wear old girl glueless. I can't because my ears just won't let me be great, but I feel like anybody else that have like normal size ears, you can make it work. Okay, girl. As far as shedding and tangling, obviously I didn't get any other things. It's a Yaki straight wig and it's short. I didn't expect to get any other things, okay? So, as far as this wig being big head friendly, I would say get your cap size. If you know you have a larger head, and I would definitely recommend getting the medium to large cap size. But if you know you have a smaller head, I would suggest you get the size 1. I just say get whatever size you know you wear. I am an average cap size. I am pretty sure I could make the size 1 work, but it's more comfortable for me to get a size 2. So just get whatever you know works for you. Okay, you know your cap size, girl. You know your cap size. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. And I always give the standard con that, you know, even though it's a 13x6, you don't have a lot of space on the sides. So after you get right here, there's not as much space, but there is plenty of space in this general area. But because I don't have any other cons, that's just my standard con. So that's gonna be it. Okay. Now the pros are endless. I feel like this is the ultimate beginner friendly wig, and it's a cute bob. Like, it's a really easy slay. The texture is Yaki, which I feel like makes it look more realistic, and I just love the overall style. A good bob can be either mom hair or it can be sexy date night hair, and I feel like with this unit you can do both. Okay, you just change your parting. Okay. Like, I feel like the middle part when it comes to bobs is more that sophisticated look, and when you want to look a little sexy, just do you a side part, become a side chick. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the pros. Now we can get into what I recommend this wig. Child, we ain't gonna even stay on this long. You know I would recommend this wig. Okay, you just heard my pros. Moving on. Alright y'all, so we'll go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So obviously this is the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back, and this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Once again, shout out to you, Myfirstwig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to sound off down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, what you doing? Click that subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Misty on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous Beauty on Twitter. And I'll see you love us next time. Bye.